Good morning, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. Just want to welcome you guys to the channel. If you guys are new here, you've never been here before, welcome. My name is Pedro and we do Forex trading. We do live streams every single day, guys, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys join the family. Appreciate you all very much. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. Sometimes I do come in the evening, so if you want to be notified, make sure you join in. So thank you guys for joining in. We got lots of news coming on tonight or this morning. It's still dark out, so it feels like night, which is crazy. Gonna be updating the video description, so just bear with me, guys. I really appreciate it if you can give me a second here. I'm just gonna update the video description. In the meantime, if you are here for the first time, let us know where you're joining us from, guys, and comment below. I read every single comment, so let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so I'm just gonna start soon, guys, so just give me a second here. Got my matcha tea. Let's go. GG is going, GU is actually going in our favor, which is good. Let's go. Let's go. Lawrence, good morning, bro. Let's go. Caught a little bit of gold sell from 1658 to 64 now. Once it pulled back a little, I ran, laugh out loud. Nice, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. Remember, guys, I told you that short-term pullback on gold. Straight fire. Same with gold. Actually, we got a nice pullback. Basically what we expected. See, last night, boom. Yeah, we'll see, because the weekly is also looking like it's failing to create a lower low at this point. It's starting to look like a double bottom potential. Really double bottom. I want to see price and see what it does. But we'll see. We shall see, guys. Lawrence GM, let's go. Chatman, hi, I'm new to your channel, done some research and I like what you're doing. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Really do appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the support. Let's go. Let's go. sharing the link through the Telegram for some people that don't have the notifications. Let's go, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna begin shortly, so just give me 1 second here. I'm gonna make sure everything's good on my end. We should be good. All right, guys, we're gonna be in shortly, so just give me 1 second here. Hope you guys are having an amazing morning, guys. New start to the week. Remember, the markets always have opportunities, guys. No need to rush into the markets. Okay. Should be good here. Yeah, so I'm expecting continuation for gold sells at this moment, probably to the level that I have marked off. So we're gonna get started, guys. So welcome. So yeah, I'm expecting gold to continue to go down further. Obviously that's just my expectation, right? The market could do anything at any given time. So we always have to just kind of trade with caution. But overall expecting gold to continue to sell short term, obviously, and then I'll keep you guys in the loop. Let's go, Coonies, let's go. We got my sister-in-law there. Let's go. Appreciate the love and support, guys. Okay, so we're gonna get started here and continue on, guys. So give me 1 sec. I'm just gonna change the song here. overall it just seems weak at this point. So what I want to see is price to continue to go down a little bit further. Let's see how much of a range we've got here, guys. Yeah, you still have almost 70 pips, 71 pips. I think it still has a little bit more potential to the downside. Yeah, I think it still has lots more potential to the downside, probably to this level, which would be about 70 pips. And then if we break below this level structure, we can expect a potential continuation to these lows over here. But we'll have to wait and see, guys. See what ends up happening for gold there. Let's take a look at NAS. There you go. We got the pullback exactly as predicted. Remember this pullback? Look, guys, just look at my arrows. Look at this. We had that momentum here. If you guys look at my previous live stream, guys, from last night, I told you guys we're gonna get a pullback. It's gonna come to this level structure, most likely reject this level structure, and then start getting a push back up. And look at my arrows here. You can see my arrows. This was already here before. You can go watch my live stream from last night after, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Exactly as expected. Remember that in the markets, not everything will always go how we expect, but as long as we have an edge in the markets, we'll see success. So give me 1 second here, guys. Yeah, so that's good. That went exactly as we expected. US 30, we got a pullback as well. I told you guys that I wouldn't expect it to come all the way down here as a pullback, but we did get a good retracement. GJ again, staying out of GJ for now. I don't like what I see personally. See, it's hard to trade something like that. That just looks very choppy, guys. But whenever the market looks like that, you want to stay out, guys. You know what I mean? As traders, we also have to understand that the markets will give us opportunities, and sometimes there won't be an opportunity. So don't force an opportunity, guys. Don't try and force a trade. You know what I mean? We want to be smart with our funds. We want to be smart with the markets. We don't want to be just over trading or trying to get into a trade when there's no opportunity. Let's go, guys. GBP US, again, we got that nice clean rejection, exactly what we were expecting. Like I said, if we look at the higher time frames, look how clean we've got everything all lined up here. We can start pulling our fibs if we want. Sorry, our moving averages. If we go on the daily, you can see that price is rejecting the 50 moving average for potential continuation to the downside. All right, so I'm expecting price to continue to go down further. But technically we're still in this range area here. So I need, like I said, sell sawdust below this level structure is almost 100%. Obviously nothing's 100%, but you guys get what I'm saying, right? Chapman bought Nasdaq as support at 11,260. Now riding up the trend. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, like I told you guys from last night in our previous live stream, I told you guys, I said, guys, we're looking at buys for Nas, and you can kind of ride the trend, which is nice. The trend is your friend. You always want to look at the bigger picture, and this is kind of what we saw, right? We saw the opportunity, and so now if we go back, give me 1 second here. 1 second here, guys. Let's go. Yeah, so like I told you guys, I'm like, yo, there's two things going on here. We're on the 4-hour time frame. We got a cross of the moving averages. We're at a major level structure. This is a major level structure, guys. And like I said, if we look at the higher time frames, we saw that price was holding this level of support as well too in the past. So we kind of failed to create a new lower low at this point. We just kind of held here, which is fine, but we could just get one more lower high before we continue to go down lower. But focusing on this right now, we could see that price was trending to the downside for quite some time, and we started to see price hold this level of support. Not only that, we saw a shift of the downwards trend, failed to create a new lower low, held this level of support, strong momentum push to the upside, cross of the moving averages on the higher time frame, like the 4-hour. Then we had price kind of create this channel, this kind of bullish flag essentially, and now it's pushing back up. It's retesting at this point. We can expect a continuation to the upside. 4 hours really bullish at this point. And again, this would have been a nice clean entry at around 4 a.m. 4 or 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's all good if you missed the entry, guys. It's all good. Remember, there's lots of opportunities in the markets. So yeah, remember, sometimes price, what tends to do is it comes back as well too. So it creates some sort of a double bottom, or price just kind of when it pushes up like this and it pulls back, it doesn't always just go right away, right? Sometimes it'll come back, retest this level structure once more, sometimes even 3 times before it actually pushes to the upside, right? So we have to keep that in mind, because then that will give us a little bit of an edge in the markets, and that way we can take advantage, guys, and get in on a better entry. Let's go guys, let's get it. If you guys understood that explanation, make sure you guys smash that like button, guys. Appreciate it. Let's go. We've got Pabalo Blue Boela, sorry, not sure if I pronounced that right, my friend, but either way, gold sitting at 1948. Is it forming a bull run again? Could be, potentially. One sec. Let's go. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. Let's get it. I could see gold probably going back up to these highs over here if we get a shift in the markets and a break of this downwards trend line, because we are on the daily time frame. You can see on the daily time frame, look at this, look how strong this is, right? Price has respected this trend line for quite some time, so we do need to realize that this whole past year we've been trending to the downside and respecting this downward trend line. So what I want to see is gold break at least this level structure around 1732 for us to continue to start looking at a shift in the market. And I'm gonna just mark it off here for you guys. So I'd say, yeah, I need to see gold break above these levels here for a continuation to the upside. Where we look for buy setups at that level, and that could take weeks, if not months, for that to maybe happen. We don't know yet. It could be, again, it could be next week. We don't know. but again, it could also just take weeks and months because it could just range for a long time. Sometimes price likes to range, right? If we look here, this from here to here, that's already like 3-4 months, this price action here, this move, right? So we don't know, price could range for a good while, and so we have to just always understand that the markets could do anything at any given time, but we always look at the higher time frames to tell us where price is currently at and where it could potentially be going. Let's go, let's get it, guys. Let's go, Tom. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Good morning, Pedro. And to all who is top, I made some money on xauusd long. It bounced, stopped, and I jumped. Nice. Nice. I jumped. Perfect. All right, let's go. I'm gonna focus on just showing you guys mainly pairs I trade because I had so many pairs going on and it's too much. So we'll see what ends up happening, guys. We'll see what the markets have to offer. Let's go. For all the new members, guys, let me know where you guys are joining us from in the chat box below. Let's go. As always, I always let you guys know. Let me know where you guys are joining in from. Let's get it. No, Tom. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on all the pairs that I have on the right hand side, not the ones just in the description. Those are kind of the main ones I look at, but anyone here on the right hand side, that's what I'm going to be focusing on from now on, just because it's a lot. There's a lot going on, like trying to go over all the pairs, it does add up and stuff, so I don't want to, you know, remember, I want to focus on quality over quantity, guys. So like I said, right now we're kind of stuck in a little bit of a range. So there's two things. This is kind of my buying zone here. This is where we want to be buying anyways. This level here, as you guys could see my drawings anyways. If we narrow it down to the 30 or 15, you can see that we are ranging. Look at this. Do you see those candle wicks right there, those dojis and stuff like that? This is the type of stuff you want to stay out of, right? You don't want to be trading something like that. There's nothing to trade. It's just going up and down. Okay, guys, we need to understand that. What I could expect, again, I could expect price to break below, probably to this area here. And again, that's why I had this pointed out. It's about a 75 pip range. If we get a break below, then we can expect a continuation to the downside. However, we want to wait for confirmations, guys. We don't want to just get in now, just like that. We want to wait for confirmations. All right, so don't worry, guys. Either way, I'll let you know. Even if we don't get in right now on the live, I will let you guys know either way in the Telegram group, kind of what I'm looking at. Welcome to all of our new members joining in, guys. Welcome. Make sure you guys also click the link in the video description and join our free Telegram group, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys inside there. Got an amazing community of traders through there, so look forward to seeing you guys join. Gotta love the sunrise, man. Like it was literally pitch black, and now it's like, you know, starting to look blue skies, gorgeous. I wish I could show you guys what I'm looking at. Let's get it, guys. So we gotta just wait for a breakout for gold, and then we can see what ends up happening, guys. Let me know, guys, what are your biggest struggles? Let me know in the chat box below. As traders, what's your biggest challenge? What's your biggest struggle? Let me know in the chat box below, guys. Let's go. Hey, we got Pops here. What's going on, Dad? Love you. We've got Pops supporting. Let me know in the chat box below, guys. I want to hear from each and every one of you guys. Maybe you're just starting out, maybe you're new to trading, maybe you've been trading for a while and you've just been, you know, struggling to become profitable, struggling to be consistent. Let me know in the chat box below kind of what your biggest challenge is as a trader. What's your biggest obstacle that you're dealing with right now? I'm actually curious, so let me know. So we just gotta wait for a breakout for gold. We'll see what ends up happening, guys. So Nas, remember what I told you guys? We may see a retest. So we may see Nas come back down a little bit more. Could be a possibility before it pushes to the upside. But again, it could just go straight up. So we don't know. We just got to keep that in mind. Okay. Never buy at the highs, guys. We always want to trade with caution. Again, look at this perfect setup, guys. We got to break out of this range. We have the strong momentum push. Look at this. So break out of this range. Price was ranging. Look at my notes here. Buy setups above this level structure. Look, price broke above. Then what do I always teach you guys this? Wait for retracement. Wait for the pullback. Price will always pull back. We got the pullback exactly to our 20 moving average, which you could see this is the 1 hour time frame. So it's quite significant. And then look, price reacted. Look how price reacted right away. Right when we came to this moving average. And then also, if we take a look, we could pull our fib if we really wanted to. And then look, it rejected the 0.50. 0.50 close to the golden zone of 0.50, 0.618. We can kind of target these highs over here at 32,000. Let's go. Again, remember, the price at any given time could do anything, so we always have to trade with caution, guys. Okay. We always have to trade with caution, and always manage our risk. But the most important thing is we focus on quality over quantity. That's the most important thing, okay, guys? Quality over quantity is what we want to focus on. Any knowledgeable trader will tell you that. You know what I mean? And I know as beginner traders, that can be very difficult. And that was kind of one of my biggest challenges when I first started was I just wanted to get in. I just wanted to be in a trade. I just wanted to be, you know, making money right away. But I found that the more you trade, especially when you're new, and the more you get into just trades just to be in trades, the more you would be risking, the more you're willing, the more you're going to lose, to be honest. But when you manage your risk and you trade with caution, you know what I mean? And you're like, okay, this is kind of what I'm going to do. This is marking off my trading plan. This is going exactly how I'm expecting price to respect this level structure. Price is doing this, price is doing that. So when you stick to your trading plan, you're gonna see results, right? You have to understand that the market at any given time could do anything, so no one would know exactly what price could do at that exact time. But we also need to understand that if we stick through and we follow our plan, we will get the results, you know. And you can see, like, this is a great example from yesterday's live stream, guys. Look at this. Look at my analysis here, guys. Look at my arrows, right? Look at this, right? We're getting price react. Why? Well, because we were trending to the downside for quite some time, right? We were respecting this level of structure, this downwards trend line, right? Then we saw price hold up at this level, which was a major level of support. We got a cross of the moving averages on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, held this level of support on the 50 moving average. Okay, and not necessarily do we need to have based off of the moving average, because you guys know that I don't trade with moving averages. The only moving averages I have is literally the 20 and the 50 moving average, but I don't even base my analysis mainly on that. It's just a confluence that helps me kind of get that confirmation of, okay, I'm expecting price to hold this level, or it's reacting here, or we got a cross of the moving averages, etc. Right? So you guys, if that works for you, that's perfect. You know what I mean? You use moving averages to help you with your overall trading plan in your analysis, right? GJ, we're getting a nice rejection of this level, what we were expecting. Nice. However, we need to what? See a breakout below this level of structure here, right? We want to see price break at least below 11,739. You know what I mean? I'm not going to look for sells if we don't break below 1.1179 area, whatever, around there, right? Because then that will be strong confirmation that, yeah, you know what, we are in an overall sell structure. Otherwise, we're stuck in a range. Remember, the markets almost, I would say 80% of the time are going to be ranging. Okay, guys? The markets 80% of the time will be ranging. You have to understand that, right? So when we can spot a range, it's best to stay out. And then that way we get in when we see the perfect breakout or the perfect continuation, trend continuation trade opportunities. All right, guys, this is straight gold. Make sure you guys smash that like button if you enjoy these live streams and you're also understanding what I'm telling you. All right, guys, let me know also if you guys are new. Make sure you guys let me know in the chat box below, where are you guys joining us from? What country are you guys joining in today? Wow, man, this beautiful morning, blue skies. Let's go. Let's get it. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. Let's go. Let's go. Lots of news going on tonight. This morning, sorry. I don't know what I'm saying tonight. This morning. Let me just refresh this here. There we go. So at 9:45 we have some USD news. Okay. So let's just keep that in mind, guys. Yeah, we got some USD news. And we'll see what ends up happening, all right? We've got the wifey there. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So guys, it's always important to understand the news when we're looking at the news and stuff like that. It's always important to understand that that could affect price. But we always want to stay out as well too. We don't want to be trading news or anything like that, right? Okay, it seems like we're getting a breakout out of this range for gold finally, which is good. We're getting a breakout to the upside at this point. However, we always want to be cautious because gold could create a wick and then go back down, right? So we just have to be cautious with that. But we are getting a breakout. Let's see what's going on here. You know what? Let me pull my moving averages here on the 1 hour. Yeah. Overall, I'm expecting it to come down a little bit further potentially, but we'll see what ends up happening, guys. Again, we don't ever want to get in on buys like this. You don't do this. Don't ever do this, guys. Best advice, don't do something like this. You do not want to do this. You want to wait for price probably down here, which is a better entry, right? Because price, look, it'll create a wick. You have to be very, very cautious with that, guys. Okay. This is kind of the area where you want to have a better entry. Now, do we know that for sure price is going to come down? No, we don't know yet, right? But we've got over 75 pip range here. That's why I have this here to the downside, right? In fact, it's probably 80 pips, over 80 pips. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm saying we also have a cross of the moving averages here on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm expecting gold to continue to go down lower. We could pull my trend line down here. You could see that it is respecting this downwards trend. We've got a 50 crossing, 50-20 moving average. 50s over the 20 moving average. We are getting a reaction, so we can expect a continuation potentially to the downside. We'd see probably gold continue to wick down below. Let me clear the charts just so that you guys could see it much cleaner, because I don't like it when it's all like busy and stuff like that. So guys, if you are understanding my explanation, make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Let's go, let's go. Welcome to all the new members. Let's get it, guys. So again, higher time frames, we always want to understand the overall direction of the markets. We know that this is the 4-hour time frame. We have what been trending to the downside. A sec. We have been trending to the downside clearly, okay? And then if we go to the daily, we're in a downwards trend, okay? Now, I do need to mention something, okay? We've been trending to the downside, which is good. However, look at this. We are forming some sort of a double bottom formation, or we're struggling to create what? A new lower low, right? So price failed to create what? Go down further and create a new lower low at this point. Does that mean for sure price is no longer going to go down? No. Price could come back up and then create some sort of a lower high if you want, if you will. Come retest the 50 here on the daily and then break down below, right? Could be a possibility. But what we were expecting was a continuation to the downside, a pullback, and then expect price to continue to go down further, right? This was kind of our expectation, to continue the downwards trend on the daily. However, this is something that we have to keep in mind. If we go up to the weekly, okay, where are we? We're pretty much at a level here, even on the weekly, where we could see that we broke below. We were expecting actually gold to hold this level of support here, but it failed and it broke below. However, it's forming this double top on the weekly, essentially. It won't be valid until we see price actually come back up and break the neckline. Then that could be a confirmation of a reversal in price. But again, like I told you guys, for price to do something like that, I'm expecting a continuation, a sideways continuation, so a range, a consolidation. I don't expect gold to just go up right away and just break this downwards trend line. No, I don't expect that to happen. It's not really realistic, to be honest. But I do expect maybe gold may range right within this area. Could be a possibility here on the daily time frame. We could see gold range around here and move up, break above, and then you're like, some traders will be like, oh, that's the confirmation. It comes back down here and then it just melts a little bit lower. We don't know. But that's kind of my overall outlook in the markets for gold, right? So we understand the bigger picture, then we can kind of narrow it down. But at this point, for right now, like I said, we've kind of broken above, and let me clear the charts again. We've broken above this downwards trend line. So if we go to the 4-hour, we've been trending to the downside, right? This is current price action, guys. We've been trending to the downside on the 4-hour time frame. Each candle represents 4 hours of movement. And it seems like price is starting to slightly respect this 50 moving average, broke below, and it could be retesting this this 20 moving average as a support, right? That's what I'm saying. We may expect price to come down a little bit lower before it actually pushes back up, right? Could be a possibility. So we don't know yet. There's no trades just yet at this point. However, we have broken above. We have that strong momentum push, which is kind of what we want. And we are retesting the 50 moving 0.50 right now, which is our golden zone, 0.618. Like I said, we may see gold kind of come back down before we actually push to the upside. Something like that. Okay, potentially. Hey Tony, let's go, bro. Let's go. We got Tony. Good morning, Pedro. Ready to kill the markets this week. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's get it. I look forward to killing the markets with you guys. And as you guys know, if there's anything that I see, any opportunity, and even if we're live, we've caught in so many opportunities, guys. You guys could see in our previous live streams many opportunities that we've been able to catch. So look forward to it, guys, and welcome to all of our new members, guys. Let me know if it's your first time here. Make sure you guys let us know in the chat box below where you guys joining us from. We're live every single day at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our family's growing day by day, guys, so appreciate you all very much. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys. If you understood that explanation on gold, again, This is why we wait for confirmations, guys. I teach you guys this all the time in my live streams. Look at this. Let's clear the charts again. Look at this. This is why, as a newbie trader, you do not get in on buys. Price was breaking above. Oh, it's a breakout. We broke out of the range. No, you wait for confirmations. You wait for this candle to close. Look at that wick. And let's take a look for a moment here. What kind of move we had? Look at this. That's 30 pips. Boom, knocked out. Boom, that's it. You would have bought at the highs, would have been knocked out, 30 pips, gone. The markets took your money, you got faked out, and that's it. Right? This is too much of a range for me. I'm expecting gold to continue to go down further. That's my overall expectation, because I need gold to come back down at least to this level structure. I'm going to show you exactly where I'm expecting it, right? So if we look at the 4 hour again, let me explain this for those of you that are just starting out or are new or just joining in. But we have been trending to the downside. We got a break above, okay? This is kind of my level structure here, this area here, okay? Because price has respected that level structure in the past. And then if we go down to the 1 hour, okay, we got that strong momentum push, we got the pullback. If you will, we could pull our fibs. Look at where price is reacting exactly, right? We got price rejecting literally our golden zone here, which is 0.50 and 0.618 level. We also got a cross of the moving averages on the 1 hour time frame, which is the 20 and the 50 moving average. So I could expect gold to retest the 50 moving average probably around here once it comes back down. So that's something I just have my eye on gold right now. But again, we have to be patient. US 30, NAS. We may get a pullback as well. We got the pullback we wanted, but we may expect it to come back down. Okay, so we've got Tom here. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Pedro, I was in odd USD when it bounced. I jumped out when it paused due to lack of momentum. However, I seem to be taking 20 pips, which is fine, but missing out on 100 pips low rise. Any tips? You know what, Tom? Like mainly the main or the most important thing, to be honest, is always looking at the bigger picture, right? So I think that being able to catch these higher pip moves is being able to kind of structure things as it is. So we could even see, like, let's go back to odd USD here. So what happened here? We were expecting a potential continuation to the upside, not all the way up, because we were still at this major level here. You can see this major level here. It's the 4 hour time frame, right? Look, this is a major level here where price has respected in the past, this area zone here, right? And we are in a downwards trend as well in the daily, right? So we got a rejection here at the 20 moving average. However, this to me is looking like a fake out. Even if you look on the higher time frames, it's just a straight fake out. It is what it is. We broke below. It seems like it's trying to hold some sort of it's doing like a retest at this point. But in order to kind of catch moves like this, we don't want to, probably what tends to happen is that we get into these moves and we catch 20 pips because price moves. But again, if we're able to catch it at a major level of structure, right? Like let's say, for example, let me show you something here. Let me show you, for example, here, like, let me show you on odd USD. For example, like if we get in here, right? Let's say this is a level here. We know that's a level here that price has reacted in the past, right? And then if we go on the higher time frames and we look to the left-hand side, let's go to the daily. Okay, so we saw that break here, right? Or let's say this break here, right? If we look here, we know that price could potentially go down further, right? This is how I'm able to spot this type of stuff. So if we look on the left-hand side, we can see currently where price is at is a level of support, right? But we were up here. So if we were up here and we see that we're in a downwards trend and we break below, where can I expect price to potentially go down further? So if we were up here, okay, look at my mouse, 0.64 236. We were up here. We were expecting what? A break below, because it was continue to go to the downside, right? where's my next targets? I set my targets here. So this was my next target level at 662.894, and then my next potential target level could be even down below here, which would be 0.59861, right? So if I know that 0.59861 is my next target level, if we get a break below this level structure down here, okay, and let me kind of get back down to the smaller time frames. Look at this. This now becomes a range. Okay, this is how you catch the bigger moves. So we're in a range at this point, and what are we looking for? We're looking for a break below this level structure. Okay, and we could target these lows over here. Okay, even if it's slow, that's fine, but this is what I'm talking about. This is how you're able to catch these opportunities. Look, 200 pip range move to the downside. So if we know that we get a break below, we can start, watch, we get a breakout, boom, don't get in on sells at the breakout. You could if you wanted to, but once you see it close below, but again, we always have to keep out for watch out for fakeouts, right? We get a push, wait for the pullback, make sure price respects this level structure. Okay, we want to see price respect this level structure, and again, we're on the higher time frames, so it's a confirmation that we may expect a continuation to the downside. This is where we want to get in on our entry. Okay, this area here, then we get a nice strong push to the downside, retest, and continuation. Right, this is how we're able to spot out these opportunities. Right, we go in the lower time frames, right, and this is where we can get in on the pullbacks, or this is where we get the really high entry and you're like, what the heck, how do you get on that entry when we're already down here, right? And then this is where you're able to catch a significant amount of pips, right? Typically that's kind of what I look at. If we focus so much on the lower time frames, this is where you're going to find yourself, well, I'm not catching enough pips. Like for example, right now it's retesting here, it broke below this level structure. I could probably look for sells at this point. It's rejecting this level of structure here. We got a strong momentum push, we got a cross on the moving averages here on the 15 minute, we got a cross on the 30 minute. I could look for odd USD sells right now at this point. This is kind of what I can expect, I'll be honest. Again, manage your risk, right? Sells, put your stop loss here just above that wick candle there, 23 pips, target the lows, boom, 90 pips, done. Call it a day, right? Price could come back up, maybe create one more, retest these highs once more, boom, comes back down. I'll leave this here, guys, because that's kind of what I'm looking at there. That's actually pretty good, right? Cross moving averages, we are rejecting this level here, right? Odd USD sells, entry here, put our stop loss just above here, this wick, a tad bit above or a little bit below, 25 pip stop. Target these lows over here. That's 82 pips. We got a 3.2 risk reward ratio. We got a cross on the moving averages on the 30 minute. We're rejecting the 50 minute just below the 50 minute. And that's it, guys. Call it a day. Done. You see what I'm saying? All right, let me know, guys, if you understood that explanation. Smash that like button for me, guys. Also, guys, if you guys are new, make sure you guys join the family. Appreciate you all very much. We are live every single day, Monday to Friday, at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's get it, guys. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all of our new members, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification, all right, guys? Let's go, guys. So again, I'm expecting odd USD to continue to go down further. We'll see what ends up happening at this point, but this is a good potential setup. Risk reward ratio, you're only risking 25 pips, potentially gain 82 pips, guys. We could target the lows, even if you target down over here, that level there, that's 62 pips. Risk reward 2.4. Let's take a look at gold and see what's going on. Again, gold, like I said, we're expecting gold to come down further. Okay, to our golden zone. This is where we want gold to come back down to before we potentially look for a continuation to the upside. That's my overall expectation, guys. All right, guys, that's my expectation there for gold. Let's go. Let's get it. Actually, you know what? We haven't seen Euro. Oh, that's Euro GBP. Let's take a look at Euro USD. What's going on with Euro USD? Yeah, so it's still stuck in this range. It seems like it's looking a little bit bullish on the 4-hour. I'll be honest, Euro USD is looking like it may retest to these highs over here. Yeah, it could be retesting these highs once more before it actually kind of breaks below. That's if it respects this level structure. See what we're looking at here. Yes, bro, we got the blue lightning. That's my little logo. Whenever you see the little lightning, that's Pedro. That's right. I love it. Got mastery by bro. Can you please have a look at NZD CAD? Yeah, bro, we'll take a look at NZD CAD for you, man. But I'm definitely clearing everything from now on just because it was way too overwhelming. It was NZD CAD. Oof. We failed to hold this level of support. That's good. That's fine. We were expecting it to come up. We didn't get any trade opportunities. That's why I highlighted this area, which is crucial, guys. We always want to make sure that we hold this level of support. See? This is why I had this area highlighted even more, is because this was a level that price had to respect. So at this point, this is invalidated, which is good. We didn't get in on a trader like this, but I'm expecting it to potentially continue to go higher. Let's see, we're on the 4-hour time frame. Let's start this again, see how price is probably retesting the 50 moving average. You can see it right now. Do you see that right there? So as long as price is able to respect this area here and doesn't break below this level here, I'm expecting price to continue to go higher. So we could potentially look for buys at this level structure, but I want to see at least NZD CAD form a bullish candle formation here. I want this candle to close above this level here, not below. And then once this candle closes, I want to see the next 4-hour candle start looking bullish. If it goes bullish, we can expect a continuation to the upside. Okay, guys. And then if we look here on the daily, let's see. So this is another thing we do have to factor in always, is the higher time frames too, guys. So we could see one more push to the upside before we break below, or this could be our final push to the downside. So if we break below, we are testing the 50 moving average on the daily, so that's actually pretty significant. So if we break below and we fail this 4-hour time frame here, we fail to hold this level of support, because it's literally retesting right now the 50 moving average, right, as a level of support. It broke below the 20 moving average, it failed to hold it, so now it's retesting the 50. If it fails the 50, then that invalidates it. We start looking for sells. Our bias changes, right? However, we could get one more push, like I said, one more push to the upside, potentially, as long as price is able to hold this level support. Is that understood, guys? Yes. If you understood that, smash that like button for me, guys. Mastery, bro, is that good? You understand that? Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome to all of our new members, guys. Also, make sure you guys click the link to join our free Telegram group. We have an amazing community of traders through there, so make sure you guys join. The link is in the video description below. Mastery, let's go. Yes, bro, we got those fire emojis. Let's go, let's kill it. So yeah, that's what we want to look at, guys. It's pretty straightforward, right? Like if we hold this level of support, we can see that price has respected in the past. And we hold this 50 moving average, we can expect a continuation of buys, probably one more push, because on the higher time frames we have been trending to the downside. I'm not really looking for buys for NZD CAD yet until we hold that level of support. So we need to see what price is going to end up doing there at that level. Okay. AUD/USD, same thing. AUD/USD, we may see a continuation to the downside. But again, we always have to manage our risk, guys. Okay. Always manage our risk. We may expect one more push here. So probably like a double top formation could be a possibility. But remember, the trend is your friend. 1 hour is looking bearish. GJ, I want to stay out. I don't really, I mean, yeah, I just want to stay out of GJ for now. Just so choppy, man. It is Monday too, but it's just like, how can you trade this, guys? I mean, what? It looks like an ascending triangle pattern formation at this point. So one of two things, we could see a continuation to the upside. Could be a possibility, and then we just get on the retest. Okay. But again, we may look for something like this. Something like that for GJ. Guys, smash that like button, guys, if you enjoy these live streams. Let's go, let's go. Just reporting this thing here. Who wants to be my moderator, man? I need a moderator. Let's go. This is crazy. These bots are nuts. I'm just reporting them. All right. Okay, let's continue on here. Let's go, let's go. Gbpusd. So it seems like we may be holding this level of support, which is good. We got the push above, which is kind of what we were expecting anyways. If we look here on the daily, we were looking for a potential continuation to the upside for Gbpusd. We held this level, we broke above, and then remember last night I told you guys we're looking for a continuation to the upside. 4 hours looking like we're finally kind of holding this level of support. Also, if we look at the lower time frames here, even on the 1 hour, we've broken above this kind of downwards trend. And as long as we're able to hold this level of support, which is quite significant, we have to understand price needs to hold this level here. Let's pull our moving averages. Yep, we're getting across to the moving averages here at this point. 20 will come up, probably see price kind of exhaust here for a bit, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside, which is pretty much what we were expecting anyways. If you guys could see it here, look at my arrows here, right? And go back to yesterday's live stream, guys. I explained exactly why I was expecting price to come up here. We are testing the 20 moving average here on the 30-minute. So we can expect price to continue to go higher. Again, remember, price may come back down once more, sometimes 2 or 3 times before price actually pushes to the upside. So we do have to understand that. But again, if you were to get in here now anyways, as a long, this would be a pretty good entry. We can kind of target these highs here, which is 77 pips. You know, set your stops here nice and tight, about a 30 pip stop, and then there you have it, right? Something like that. But you have to be mindful that price may come back down and retest, right? You just have to be mindful of that. Let's go back down to the 20, just the 1 hour. Yeah, so we got a nice rejection at 0.618, and price is kind of holding this level support. So if anything, this is a good entry. We got 77 pips. We target these highs. Sorry, that's 81 pips, and then we can kind of expect a potential continuation to the upside. But even if we just target these highs, right, because price could do anything at any given time. So if we target these highs here, look for buys, watch this candle go above, there you have it, right? Nice, good potential buy setup for Gbpusd. Let's go, guys. Let's go. If you understood that explanation, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button, guys. Appreciate the love and support. I'm gonna report this guy, man. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. It's a good opportunity there for Gbpusd. Gbpusd. I need a stronger momentum to the downside and that pullback, because we are getting a pullback, but it needs to be a stronger push to the downside or a clean continuation to the downside. Yeah, right now it's just, I don't know. Euro US, we got a push above. This is a nice strong momentum push. But again, I don't really see a trade setup here, guys. Euro odd. Probably a continuation to the upside. The way it's looking, like it's might be breaking above this level here. This is actually an area. This is a significant area here. So we may see a continuation. If it breaks above, then we can see a nice clean continuation to the upside for Euro odd. And it looks like it's strong momentum too. So you got a nice strong momentum push to the upside. I would let it run, let it do its thing, and then wait on, get in on the retracement, get in on the pullback, on the retest. And we are also see how price pushed up, pulled back. At our 0.50 and 0.618, we got a nice rejection at this level. This would have been a good entry at this point. We could target these highs here. Yeah, look at that. You could set your stop loss at like 25 pips. So even if you got here, it would be an ideal entry. Let's go, guys. We're at 20 likes. Let's get it to 25. Welcome to all of the new subscribers, all the new members, guys. Appreciate you all very much. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell and click all notifications so you get notified every single time we're live. We are here every single morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're new to trading, or maybe you're just starting out, maybe you're just tired of losing trades, guys, it's all good. We have an amazing community here, guys, and I'm here to support you guys every step of the way. So I appreciate you all very much. Let's kill it, guys. Gold's a little bit slow right now, but again, this is our target area for gold. This area here, okay. That's kind of where I want to look for buys. This is kind of my buy zone area here. All right. But yeah, anyways, guys, appreciate you guys very much. Let's go, let's kill it. If you guys are new, also guys, introduce yourself. Let me know where you guys are joining us from today. What country you guys joining us from? We got people from all over the world. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're getting that break below for gold. Nice, nice, nice. So what we want. Remember with NASDAQ, remember I told you guys, I said we are going to get a pullback down here. It's not just going to go all the way up right away. Remember that, guys. I told you guys at the beginning of the live stream, I said this. Wait for the pullback. Don't look for buys yet. Overall direction obviously is to the upside, as we mentioned, but I mean, you know what I mean? These are things that we have to watch out as traders, right? Let's go, guys. I'm going to leave the links for a free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community of traders there, so make sure you guys join the family through there as well. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe below and hit the notification bell for all of our new members. I'm going to share the link as well in the chat box below there. Click that link and join the family and hit all notifications. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Don't be shy. Let's go. GU expecting it to continue to go down further. 1 hour looking bearish. We are getting a rejection at this point. We are obviously in a slight little range here on the higher time frames. If this candle closes bearish, I'm expecting sells for GU. Yeah, obviously not the most cleanest trade setup, but again, could expect sells for GU at this point. Probably target, my first target level would probably be this area around here. That's kind of my target level here. We can kind of target here like that. Set our stops just above this candle wick. Just 20 pips. We could do like a 25 pip stop. Okay, we could kind of target, like I said, target these lows over here. So 126 pips. This is a clean entry because at this point, if it goes against you, it is what it is. You lose 25 pips. But if it goes in your favor, look how much of a cleaner entry you have at this point, right? Let's go up to the 4 hour time frame. Look at this. Price has respected this level of structure multiple times, right? Not only that, take a look at this. We broke below and we literally retested. So that's even more of a confluence that we're expecting price to continue to go down further. Look at this. Daily. Price is rejecting this 50 moving average on the daily. We can expect a continuation to the downside. We're literally targeting this level here. That's over 126 pips. Guys, it's pretty straightforward at this point. Look at this. We're already in profits. All right. We're looking at GBP US sells. Please manage your risk. This is not financial advice, but this is what I'm expecting. I just want to see that candle close on the 15-minute, engulfing the previous candle. And that's it, guys. We're looking for a continuation to the downside for GU. Let's go. Let's go. Smash that like button, guys. If you understood that explanation, let's get it, guys. That's a perfect opportunity in the markets. A great example of just managing your risk. You know what I mean? Remember to always manage your risk. We're risking, for example, 25 pips in order to gain over 126. But again, we could get price react at this level around here too. So that could be our TP1. This could be our TP1 level, which is 65 pips. Still 2.5 risk reward ratio, which we're still, that's a good trade opportunity, right? And this is live as well, guys. You can see live. We're taking this trade right now, right? Okay, so even if we target here, this would be my TP1 at this level here, right around there. TP1, this zone here. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions, guys. I do answer in the chat box. So now that you have me live, might as well ask away, guys. We're at 20 likes right now, guys. Let's get it to 25 likes. Let's go, guys. Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. Where are you guys joining us from? Let me know in the chat box below what country you guys are joining us from. We have people from all over the world. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. We've got already really good setups lining up here already. We're already in profits. 7 pips. GBP odd trade as well. We're already in profits. Would have been 38 pips already. 38 pips. Currently at 27 pips gain already. Just right from taking this from the live. We target the highs here at 81 pips. Call it a day and run. At this point, I would have told you guys move your stop loss to break even. Take partials and call it a day. Let's go. Tom, let's go, bro. Hey, Lightning. Odd sells over 20 pips and counting. Let's go. Let's get it. Yes. Yes, we did it. We did it, Tom. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Guys, smash that like button if you understood this explanation. GBP odd, GU, we're already killing it. Look, GBP odd trade that we took at the not the beginning, but we just took like literally what 20 minutes ago. It reached 38 pips and right now it's currently at 22 pips and running. So like I said, at this point I would tell you guys to move your stop loss to break even and take partials. GU is again right now it's just 7 pips profit at this point, but again overall expectation is a continuation to the downside for GU. That's kind of what I'm expecting. Let's take a look at AUD/USD for Toms. Let's go. AUD/USD is looking good too. Hi mate, can you label your chart watermark? Yeah, you know what, if you guys find that helpful, I'll try and see if I could do that. But what I'm thinking on doing in the future anyways is to put it on the side. Like I'm doing an overlay right now. I'm working on an overlay so that you guys could see it much better. But let me see if this helps you guys. I can't remember how I do it here. Give me one sec. There we go. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit helpful for you guys. Yeah, there we go. Okay, Jay, is that better? Let's go, bro. I hope that's helpful. Either way, I will be changing that though, because like I said, I'm working on some overlays with the OBS software so that you guys could see exactly what time frames we're looking at, what trades we've taken, what trades we're currently in, and etc. So I'm working as hard as I can, guys, to be able to help you guys out with that. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, guys. Also, welcome to all of our new members, our newest members that have just joined in our family, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell and hit all notifications. Appreciate you guys very much. Let's go. Let's go. AUD/USD trade is going exactly as expected. We went up almost 14 pips. Right now we're running at 10 pips. Let's go, guys. Remember to always manage your risk. Please, please, please manage your risk. Also, we have some USD news. So if this pair does not move within the USD within the news within the next hour, then I would suggest to move your stop loss to break even. That way it's officially a risk-free trade, okay? And this is part of risk management. If we do these type of things, this is how you manage your risk, right? So if I move my stop loss at this point, we're up, you know, 10 pips. If I move my stop loss to break even, if price hits my stop loss, it is what it is. But if this news is, for example, bearish for you know, whatever, the British pound or whatever, or the dollar becomes stronger, then we can expect a nice clean push to the downside, right? That'll be that push that'll help us get price going exactly where we're expecting it to go. However, never have expectations in the markets. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm telling you, that's going to help you as traders. Never have expectations, trust me. Jay, thank you. No problem, bro. I got you. Jay, welcome, first time on the channel. Welcome, man. Appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe and hit the all notifications, okay? That way you get notified every single time we're live. I am live every single day in the mornings, but sometimes I do surprise live streams in the evenings for you guys, because I do find some people can't make it, unfortunately, in the mornings because of work and stuff. So I try to make it fair for everyone. So let's go. And boss, what about gold? Let's take a look at gold. Yes, we were looking at gold. Let's see where gold is currently at this moment. Like I mentioned, I kind of want to see gold at least come back down here. It's looking like it's forming some sort of a slight bearish flag, but again, nothing over the top here. Like, it's just looking like it's kind of ranging at this point. Okay, so we may see a break to the downside. We may see a wick. We may see price kind of move, create the same move to the downside. Give me one sec here before it actually goes to the upside. Potentially may see something like this. See, look at the move. Do you see the move here? So probably wick here at our 0.618, and then we can expect a potential continuation to the upside if it respects this level structure. I want to see price respect this level structure, guys. Okay, this is crucial. Okay, I want to see price respect this level structure for gold. Okay, yeah. Let's go, Tom. Pedro's on fire tonight. Let's go. Aussie time. Yeah, that's true. It's nighttime over there. Let's go. Let's go. We got this, team. We got this. Welcome to all our new members, guys. If you understood why I'm expecting gold to continue to go down further, make sure you guys smash that like button. Give me a huge thumbs up. We're at 23 likes. Let's get it to 25, guys. I know we're capable. Let's kill it. AUSD, yep, we're getting slightly a pullback again. At this point, we could move our stop loss to entry or tighten it a tad bit more. We'll see what ends up happening. Okay, let's go. Look at that, AUSD going exactly as we're expecting it. GBPUS same, but again, we do have that US news, so we have to trade with caution, guys. Okay, price could come back up. Like I told you guys, Euro USD looking bullish, expecting it to retest these highs. Yeah. Let's go. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. Welcome. Make sure you guys follow me on all my socials, but also make sure you guys join in on our free Telegram group, guys. The link is in the video description below, so make sure you guys join our free Telegram group, and I look forward to seeing you guys inside. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all of our new members. Let's go, let's go. Oh man, take a look at our xauusd setup. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So we're getting a break above. Like I said, if we break above this level structure, we could see the euro just continue to go high, and then we wait on the retest as well too, guys. So we can get in on the retest. If you guys got into this trade, you can move your stop loss to entry. But this is a nice trade setup as well. Odd USD trade going exactly as predicted. Let's go, let's go. At this point, guys, you can move your stop loss to entry and officially call it a risk-free trade. Let's go. Let's go. This is amazing. GU trade going exactly as predicted as well. Let's see how much we're up on GU. We're currently up 20 pips. Let's go. Booty, we've got Booty Raharjo. Good night from Indonesia. Good night, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe and join in. Let's go, let's go. Guys, this trade is going exactly as predicted. Also, for those of you that are new, maybe you're just starting out in trading, guys. Wherever you are in your trading journey, make sure you watch my live streams, guys. It's absolutely free. I'm providing free value to you guys. Okay, free value every single day. I come here every single day to be able to help you guys out as much as I can. And trading isn't easy, but it's always nice to have a community you can rely on, a community you can count on. And we have an amazing community of traders here. And like I said, we're live every single day, 7 a.m. Just make sure you hop on. All you have to do is hop on, guys. It's free. Make sure you guys join in and watch. And when we're done the live streams as well, make sure you guys go back and watch our other previous live streams on my channel. I leave all my live streams on so that you guys can watch and reference back. That way you guys are able to learn. And like I said, you can skip through the first 5 minutes if you will. And then that way you guys are able to kind of watch the rest of the live stream. Make sure you watch it entirely, guys, and sit down, take some notes. And trust me, guys, taking notes is very, very valuable. And I've showed you guys this in the past, right? I've showed you guys in the past. This is my notebook that I had, right, when I first started trading. And it's always good to use it as a reference and reference back. But taking notes is huge, guys. You know what I mean? Taking notes in your trading journey is massive. You know what I mean? Being able to look at the markets, take notes, this is going to help you level up in your trading. When you take notes, trust me, you will see results as well, right? So that's one page there. So the next page here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Right? Flip it. Look at this. Right? Consistency will get you results, guys. I'm telling you. Look, flip of the page. I'm flipping the page again. Look. Look, direction of the markets, right? When you are consistent, guys, you will see results. I'm telling you. Look, flip of the page again. This was before flipping the page. Look, more notes, more notes. Look at this. Flip the page. More. Anyways, I hope that serves as some sort of an inspiration so that you guys can realize that you're not on your own. And that, you know, everything takes time. And even where I'm at my point, I'm not even close to where I want to be, right? Not even close. But I'm thankful for where I am, thankful to God for where I am, and I'm thankful to God for what I have. You know what I mean? Definitely. But everything is guys, if you don't mind reporting that person in the chat box, I really appreciate it. I don't know what this person just keeps going at it. I don't know what's their point. Let's go. Tom Brooks just made 1% in 30 minutes. Compare that to 3% annual. I know, man. I know. That's it. Call it a day. There we go. Guys, make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's go. Let's get it. If you enjoy these live streams. Look, euro is going up. Exactly what we're expecting. A push. I'm expecting a push to the upside for euro. Yeah. I would take profits, probably take partials right now and move your stop loss to break even for odd pairs because we got news coming up in like 40 minutes. Yeah. Euro odd, still continuation potentially to the upside. Want to see this candle close bullish, then we can expect a nice clean continuation. Take a look at gold. What's going on with gold? Yeah. See what happens, guys. Probably get we'll see what price does if it rejects the 50 at this level. Yeah. We've got a question here from Mohammed. Mohammed, is the PMI going to make the US dollar stronger? Potentially, we don't know. We don't know what that outcome is. Dependent on that outcome, we'll know if it's going to be if it's a bearish outcome, then no, obviously not. If it's bad news, then no. If it's good news and it's better than what we're expecting or what they're forecasting, right? They're forecasting at this point. They're forecasting for 49.6. So they're expecting a potential growth at this point. So if they do get above, then you know what I mean, that's going to be good. If we get below 49, or at least what they're expecting, or below previous news, then that'll be bad for the dollar. We've got Raharjo. I have sell position and Euro USD now. Nice, man. Nice. I'm going to share the link here, guys, for a free Telegram group. Guys, make sure you guys join in. Let's go. So right now, guys, here's my suggestion overall. I would stay away from any trades right now. So take your profits if you got into any of these trades that we were even looking at. Just take your profits and run at this point, because we do have some news coming out. So it could start wicking out. You know what I mean? So we don't want to be getting into something like this. Gbpusd trade was good. We were able to almost catch around 38 pips. So that's good setup there as well. Same with AUD/USD, guys, at this point. Just because of what news we have, I would probably stay out at this point. Take your pips and run. Even if it was 20 pips, 15 pips, doesn't matter. 20 pips a day is more than enough at this point. Don't worry, we've got lots of trade opportunities in the day and in the coming days. So it's all good, guys. Remember, there's lots of opportunities in the markets, and as traders, we have to learn to be patient and focus on quality over quantity. You guys know that. So let's go. All of our new members, guys, we're at 25 likes, guys. Let's go. Let's actually 26, guys. We're so close to 30. Make sure let's try and get it to 30. Let's go. Can we get it to 30 likes, guys? Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the support. All the new members, guys, that are just joining in, don't forget to hit the little notification bell and hit all notifications, okay? That way you get notified when we're live in the evenings as well. We're at 26 likes, guys. Let's go. Okay, so this is, yeah, this is good. We would have probably been already taking our profits and stopped out. So at this point, because of the news that we have coming on, I would stay out, guys, for now. Same with our GJ pairs at this point too. Stay out. Okay. We'll circle back, okay, once the news is released. Because all these pairs we're looking at, GBP xauusd, they're all correlated with the US dollar. And I'd much rather we got our pips, we got 20 pips, we got the other one, our GBP got 38 pips. Let's just sit back as traders. Remember patience and wait it out, guys. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Now, as we got that pullback I was telling you, seems like it's slightly pushing up, but again, we gotta wait for the news, and then we'll just kind of wait and sit back. Same with gold. Gold is ranging, like I told you guys, right? I wouldn't get in on gold yet. It's just ranging. Okay. Look at all the wicks, right? You don't want to be stuck in a trade like this, guys. So what I'm telling you, that's why patience is key, right? As traders, we can spot these opportunities, but we can also spot these areas where the market is just hesitant. You know what I mean? Let's go, let's go. Yeah, let's stay out for now just because of the news. Look at the odd CAD, right? We were looking at what? The head and shoulders pattern. Do you remember I told you guys that? Look at this. Head and shoulders pattern formation. You can see I had that already marked off, right? We had the strong momentum break the neckline, strong momentum push. Look, we had the pullback. Boom. Perfect sell opportunity right there. This would have been a nice entry at this point here. We'll just set our stops just above the neckline here, which is even like 20 pips. Let's do a 20 pip stop. Right, and then set our targets below here. Right, look, that's 55 pips. Easy 55 pips. Could have done even a tighter stop loss at 15 pips. Done, call it a day. At this point, we can even expect a continuation to the downside. Probably target these lows over here for odd CAD. Similar to odd USD, but again, I want to wait and see what ends up happening at this point. But this would have been a better entry anyways. Up here. But it is what it is. Yeah, Tom, it's okay. It's all good. The most important thing is you got your 20 pips and you ran. But don't worry, you'll get those larger trades. But and the thing is, as you get better and better, you'll notice that you won't really have to focus on getting so much more pips, like 100 pip moves and all that type of stuff. You'll be mainly focused on literally catching probably anywhere between 20 to 40 pips, and then you'll be laughing because your lot size will be growing by the day and as your lot size grows, you don't need as much pips as maybe right now, right? So you know, it's a process. So all right, guys, we're at 27 likes, guys. Let's get it to 30. We just need 3 more likes, and we're at 30 likes, guys. Let's go. Let's go. If you understood this explanation on OddCAD, guys, give me a nice thumbs up. Let's go. Let's get it. Also, welcome to all of our new members. Look forward to seeing you guys join the family. Yeah, Xauusd again. Overall bias for sure it sells. But again, I just need to wait on that US news. Yeah. I just don't want to get in now. We got our 20 pips, but this is yeah. Same with gold. Gold, we're just ranging right now. 1 hour time frame. We've got Jay here. He's got a question. How long have you been trading for? I've been in the markets, bro, for over 6 years now. But when I really started getting more into Forex was about 2.5 years ago. So about 2.5 years ago is when I really started getting into heavily trading into Forex. Jay, where are you based? What country? Canada, my man. Canada. We are in Ontario, Canada. So that's the east coast of the true north. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Guys, Nasdaq's looking like good buys at this point. Seems like it is holding this level of support here as well. So I may be looking at good Nasdaq buys at this point. Set your stops. Yes, we got it to 30 likes. Yes, guys, we did it. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's poppin', bro? Mr. I am yo. What's poppin', my man? Let's go. Peace. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. I'm at 848 subscribers. Can we get it to 850? We just need 2 more members to join our family. Let's go. Guys, I don't know if you guys are new to trading or whatever the case is. Maybe, you know, you're tired of blowing your account. Whatever it is, guys, make sure you guys join the family. We're live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. And I also do surprise live streams sometimes in the evenings, depending on how my schedule is. So maybe if you're looking to join a community where you can count on, and you know, you're looking to learn how to trade the markets at a more simplified approach, it's just how I like to keep it, guys. I like to keep it nice and clean. The only indicators I really use is the 20 and 50 moving average. But other than that, I like to keep everything nice and clean. But yeah, look forward to seeing you guys join the family. we've got an awesome community here. So hey, this is too funny. I've got, let's go, love my G, let's go, bro. I appreciate it. Appreciate the love, man. Appreciate the support. Let's get it. Yeah, we're all waiting for gold right now. I'm on GJ buys. Yes, GJ, we were looking like an ascending pattern formation here. Let's see here. If it holds this level of support though. So I want to see GJ respect this level of support here, this area here, right? If it's able to respect this level of support, then we can expect a continuation to the upside. If it breaks below, then we wait for something like this, guys. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at. If it breaks below, wait for the retest. Strong momentum, wait for the retest, then look for sells. Okay. Or look for sell setups below this level structure. All right, and then this is kind of, we would target these lows over here. Yeah, and then that would be in the higher time frames. That's kind of going back into the range. Right. Be going back into the range. Get us back into the range if it breaks below. See that, guys? See how clear that looks? You guys see what I'm saying? Same with gold right now. Gold, we're just stuck in this range, waiting for a breakout. Hey, we've got Bichka here. Hustle never stops, eh? Let's go. It's my boy Mahilo. Who reckons there could be a flash crash on gold news? Yeah, exactly. So that's why I'm gonna stay out, guys. I'm gonna stay out for now. Let's see what's going on with gold though. Yeah, we'll see what ends up happening, guys. I'll keep you guys in the loop either way. Make sure you guys also, guys, join our family in the Telegram group. We've got an amazing Telegram group, guys, so make sure you guys join in there. The link is in the video description below. Look forward to seeing you guys join in. Let's go. Make sure you guys join in. Also, guys, for all of our new members, like I said, we're here live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I look forward to seeing you guys join the family. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys, and hit all notifications. That way you get notified when we're live. I might come on live tonight, this evening. We'll see. So you won't know unless you're already part of the family. So let's get it, guys. I'm going to share the link here for the Telegram group. Let's go. Yeah. Gbpusd, we were looking at buys and it's going exactly as expected. I just cleared the charts anyways, but all right, guys, if you enjoyed these live streams, make sure you guys smash that like button for me, guys, and also join into the family. Also, if you're new to trading, I don't know what you guys are doing if you haven't subscribed already, but Either way, guys, make sure you guys watch my other previous live streams, because trust me, you'll get a lot of value out of it. So make sure you guys watch my other videos in the channel. I post all my live streams so you guys can reference back. You can also skip the first 5 minutes, guys, and just kind of scroll in and watch till the very end. I highly suggest you watch my other videos. If you do watch the other live streams when I'm off, comment below. Let me know if this live stream has helped you in any way. Let me know if you do rewatch it, or rewatch any of the other ones, because I do read through the comments, and being able to help you guys is such an amazing feeling. You know, I get messages every day, people saying, hey man, like I really appreciate what you do and stuff, and it's just such a great feeling being able to help people. So, you know, if you're struggling with your trading, maybe it's your first time just joining in our YouTube channel, make sure you guys join in the family. I'd love to see you a part of the family. We're a growing family. La familia is growing, so I appreciate all the love and support I've received, guys, and I look forward to helping you grow in your trading journey. So with that being said, like I said, we're live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I might surprise you guys in the evening as well. We'll see. And then follow me on all my socials. All the links are below in the video description, and I look forward to seeing you guys again. We do have some USD news coming out soon. I got to catch up on some stuff. I'm going to be doing some shorts as well for you guys as well, doing some shorts, learning to do these video clips. Also have to figure out my OBS software. I've got an overlay that I'm working on, so that overlay will be able to show you what trades we're currently in and all that type of stuff. So I'm working heavily on that behind the scenes. So going to be coming out with a nice clean overlay so you guys can see what trades we've taken in the past for that day and what trades we're currently in and all that type of stuff. So yeah, look forward to that as well. But yeah, like I said, welcome guys. We're waiting for some sort of a breakout for gold. We'll see what ends up happening. Overall bias was to the downside, like I said, short term, and then a continuation to the upside potentially. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, like I said, and thank you so much guys for joining in, and I will see you until next time.